Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click on hold side power button and you will see restart from here. After restarting, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset network and network settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update and you will see first option is software update. Click on software update and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off on Realme Narzo power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.